So after installation is completed, now we can practice like a SQL topics now today. So once you install in your machine, you will available like one icon like SQL Developer. Just double click on this. It will open. Now few days we'll practice like SQL. Few hours we'll practice. Then we can start like a Informatica Cloud. Okay. Then okay, this is the database which I created here. This is the symbol which I'm created like this is the database. And I double click on here. So we come like this is the workspace. We can practice the queries here. So if you see left pane activities, we have like tables, views, indexes, packages, procedures, functions, queues. These are the operations like we can able to perform objects in the this is the ORCL is the database name. Like that we can perform create multiple database. How can you create? Just click on plus symbol and suppose I'm creating IACS batch 2. Username is system, password is tiger, service name I'm giving a ORCL. Just click on test. If it comes here, success or failure. Success. Suppose I'm giving like system 2. Click on test. Invalid username password because I given like system and password. Okay, then connect. So IACS batch 2 is one more database I created here. If you don't want ORCL, just right click, disconnect. Just double click on here, close all the things. I'm disconnecting and opening again. This is the workspace. Now I created IACS batch 2 is like database name in the tables, views, something, all the things available. Now we'll start practice. These are the tables available here. Okay. So I want to create few tables. Table is something like it will viewing like table, something like it will be combination of columns and table C. If you take like agents is the table name. Please mute yourself, Ganesh, Ramana. Otherwise, I will like disconnect you. Please mute all of you. So agents is the table name. On top of that, we have like a different set of columns like agent code, agent name, gender, like that. So table is something like combination of table is something like the data will be stored in this the Oracle database. Data will be stored in the columns and rows format. So maybe I will show you tables in Oracle or SQL. So it will show like this is the format. These are columns and rows. Employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, hire date, like this. These are the column names. These are the rows data. So the table we have to create like that. We have to insert each and every record. So today we'll see like how to create this table, how to insert the data into the table. Employee ID we should allow like a only numeric values. First name will allow like a characters. Like phone number should allow like a numbers. Date, higher date is available only date format like that. So column names it allows what type of data you should allow. So we are creating a table. Then on top of that we are inserting the data onto the table. Okay. Just syntax for creating a table is something like create syntax. I'm telling create table. Okay. Now I created database as ISS batch 2. Now I'm creating table name something. You can give some name. So this is a table name something. I'm putting an angular bracket means you can give any name. That's what I'm doing. Then column name, data type, the corresponding data type. Name, data type. Column name and data type. Column name and data type. Okay. Like that we can create those things. Okay. What else we need? Now I'm creating like employee table. Employee table is there or not? We'll see. Yeah, EMP table is there already. Employee table is there. So I will do one thing. ISS underscore batch 2 is like I will assign like this. Create. It's not a case sensitive. You can give uppercase or lowercase fine. Table employee underscore ISS batch 2. Something. This is the table name I'm giving. Because employee is already table is available. So that I'm giving another name. underscore I is batch 2. Just I'm assigning. So next columns I'm giving like ID. It is should allow like integer. It means numeric values only. It shouldn't allow like varchars. ID should like numbers only. Name varchar of 2 of 100. 100 means number of characters should allow like 100 only. The difference between there is a two types of it, varchar and varchar 2. We can give two things. What is the difference means? Say example name. I'm giving like Abhiram. So how many characters totally? 7 characters. I'm giving as a input. Suppose ID is something one. Abhiram I'm giving. So when I'm giving a varchar data type instead of varchar 2, so the 7 characters will be it. It will when we are issuing this command, it will allocate like 100 locations, memory locations in our memory. Like okay, so in hard disk it will allow like 100 memory locations. If you give name as 7 characters, remaining 93 locations will be like that only. Remaining 93 locations like that only. So if you are giving again Rakesh, so remaining characters like 94 will be like that only. Okay, there is no need of that will be completely waste of memory kind of thing, like completely accumulating all the things and all waste of memory kind of thing, accumulating, that's we are not using. So when you coming to the varchar 2, if you are giving Abhiram, so remaining 93 characters will automatically deallocate, means it will use for another row, means we are we are this is here 94 characters, 93 characters based something another row like Ravi. Suppose Ravi, if you take here, it will if you varchar of 100 figure, totally remaining 96 are locations based. So like this, it will accumulate memory. Will get a out of memory issue, something like it's performance issue. To avoid this, we have like a one more concept like varchar to newly came, because whenever Ravi given, remaining 96 will be deallocated. Remaining 93 will be deallocated because we'll use for another row. So that's the difference between varchar and varchar. So try to go for varchar 2 because of performance issue. Next, what else we tried? Salary, integer type. Next, location, varchar 2 of maybe 255 characters, something. So just if you select this, there is a button for execute here. Run statement is there. That one you can press it. Otherwise, you can press like control enter statement. Otherwise, you can press like a control enter statements. Just I'm clicking on this. Table successfully created. Table successfully created. Whether the table structure is available or not, we can see it like employee ISES batch 2. So DS means description of the table. Okay, what are the description? ID, name, salary, location. These are the things. ID, name, salary, location. 4 columns only. This is the structure of the description of the table. If you want to see how many records available in table, you can go for select statement. Select star represent all columns from table name is the table name. How many records available? ID, name, salary, location. List of IDs from table. And the list of only we want to find the only we want only names, ID comma names. This is the way. We want ID, name, and salary. Okay, ID, name, salary. Okay. What else we need? So this is the way we want to see how many records available in this table. Okay. Now we will trying to insert few records in this table. Insert into table name is this values. I'm supplying first value 1. Always we have to give characters in the single quote. Biram, like salary is something 100 rupees. Location I'm giving Chennai. Close the bracket. This one. This is the one record I'm trying to insert. You just select this. Click on run statement. If you want to execute multiple statements, put like semicolon here. You copy paste here multiple statements. Copy paste. Execute all statements together because every statement ending with we need a semicolon. Okay, I want 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 records I'm inserting. Ravi, Rajesh, Ramesh, Pavan, Vinay, Raju. So 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. So few things. Pune, Hyderabad, Pune, like that. So you are giving like this, just selecting all the statements. Click on here. There is an option after this. There is a one more statement is there here. Commit, but see, green color symbol is there. You can click on this. Otherwise, this is a commit F11. You can press F11 on keyboard. Otherwise, click on this. Okay, sir. If you don't press, what will happen? Because once you close this session, automatically it will revoke. It means it will be if you are giving this one, it is available in a like in temporary memory. Once you give commit command, then only it will go for disk level. So if you are not giving this one without this, if you close this one, data will not be saved into the table. Just it will be erased from the memory. Like till that it will be in RAM. Once you give commit command, and then only it will load it into the disk only. Now it will, let me check the data is there or not. That 7 records there are not. Now we got it. Only IDs if you want find, you can get it. ID and name, get it. ID and name and salary, we'll get it like this. Okay, we will say like. So such a way we can insert or create the data. If you want to see the people who are in Chennai, select start from location equal to. You want the okay, want the people who are in Chennai. I mean, giving you filter condition where I select start from table name means all the data will come. And after that, I'm putting like not all the records. The records which are in Chennai only. Only Abhiram. Only Abhiram is Chennai. So I want the people who are in Pune. These are the records. These are the records. The people who are in Hyderabad, like this. Okay. So not only the equally operator, non-equal operator also we can do. Select start from salary greater than 100, something like that. The employees who are greater than 100 rupees center, like that. So you can perform any type of filter conditions, insert. Today I showed you like creating tables is one, creating a table, then description of this one second, and selecting operator data from this tables is three, and fourth one is for insert. Fifth one is for where clauses. Is it fine? These five commands is fine or any doubts till now? Because today's first class, right? Everyone has to install and start practice this one. Day by day, going on further, I will go for a little bit fast. And this is today's first class. I'm giving a little bit time to install and set it up these things. Day by day, once going on further, I can go for a little bit fast. Is it fine till now? Any doubts, please ask me now. Anyone having doubts, please ask me. Yeah. Hmm. Option is to directly. Yeah. Without this button, there is one option is like can explicitly give commit command. That's fine. If you are not giving this one, you can execute at least this command. Bash timing not suitable. Means what time you are preferable? Srivani, hello. You can talk to Swapna. So along with that, one more command I will tell you. Then I will stop today because today's first class, right? Maybe people, some people not yet installed as well. So try to install and enroll by today. And tomorrow onwards, maybe day by day goes like tomorrow also a little bit slow. Like day by day, I will increase the load, and I will try to complete this course July 5th, like not July 5th, sorry, August 5th. So like that, I will go a little bit forward, like forward classes, I will go a little bit fast. And anyhow, like I will explain you 2 to 3 times, 5 times also, but I will cover more topics per day. I will teach each topic 4 times, 5 times. When how many times you want, I can explain. One more time, one more thing I'm telling. This how many records? This one, right? So this is the place where location equal to Hyderabad. And one more thing, not all the records. I want only salary greater than 100. Means greater than 100 means all are 400, 300, 800, all are greater than this one. I want salary greater than 300. If you give, how many records will come? Hyderabad, 3 records. Along with that, I want only salary greater than 300 means Ramesh, Raju. These 2 records only will come. These 2 records only will come. Like that. Okay? Like that. So, or means if you give and define, if you give or means either location equal to Hyderabad or salary is greater than 300. How many records? This is 600 is. But Pune, but fine because either of one condition is true is fine. Greater than 300, right? Fine. Greater than 300 is fine. This Hyderabad, fine. Either Hyderabad should this other this one. Any one condition satisfied. The 300 Hyderabad, but Hyderabad, right? So that one is satisfied. Pune, like that. Everything is satisfied like that. Can give and or combination also. And means both the classes should true. Both the classes should true. Here, any one is true. Any one true, that's fine. Here, both conditions should satisfy. Both should true. That's a difference between and or. Try to practice this one. And one more point, like commit, sir, you given like once you given commit, we can't do. So once you inserted this one, sir, I don't want you inserted this one, but you're not given commit. Sir, I don't want to store because once you close this one, it will go. Till that time, it's available. Sir, I don't. By mistake, I inserted. I don't want that data. Before commit, I want to roll back that one. Yes, there is option like roll back. The command is there. We can execute this one. It will be whatever you saved in this one table. It will get back. I means will get back like empty table. Before commit, once you give commit, we can't roll back. You can give rollback command. Otherwise, there is a red symbol here. There is a click on here. Anything is fine. These are the basic things. Create, insert, description, select queries, and end operator. Okay. Any more questions? As days going on, like for further classes, I will